that's easy to work. Oh man.
So we've now raised the car. You can see the clearance that we get thanks to our jack, and now it's safe for our mechanic to actually go underneath and start the work. We'll be changing the starter for this car. We've raised the car. Our mechanic is able to go underneath, and you can see he is trying to get to the starter. We'll be replacing the starter for this Chevy Cavalier, and hopefully we'll have a happy customer. We'll keep taking videos as we go along so that you get an idea of what we're doing, and if you have any questions, please call us. We'll be happy to help you. D&V Mobile Auto, professional mechanics. We have all the right equipment that is needed to get your vehicle serviced out of your garage, driveway, or any mobile location.